one of these, boy? Asking myself one last to do one of these. Alright. So much action going on. Reagan is here. Just Youth here. Clint just reached. Zahir and them here. Tariq there. Rajiv there. And I am here. Alright, set rep. Right? Came up here, did one run, and it was going good, right? Until this happened.
Once that final is over, we'll move on to the pro.
So
this is gonna pick up a lot.
It seems your restrictor blocked up and the spoiler bearing there. So we gotta get bearing. Again.
Yeah. Let's see what Saicha will do in the lead.
Note to self.
Initiates going into that first.
When you rebuild a turbo, always check the restrictor.
Nicely done.
But a good thing,
yes.
even though was a sore for yesterday.
Our side Rahim will just need to hold
Engine
it.
working. Engine working.
And yeah.
And I'm very happy with that. And I go drive home.
I thought.
So we had an issue yesterday with the turbo. The bearing decided, you know what, no more of this. I am out. Alright. Hopefully the shaft is still good. What you end up finding out is the oil restrictor was clogged, and I just cleaned it out, or in the process of cleaning it out, I got thread seal. I never use thread seal. So I guess all these things you have to kind of figure out. Look how long. That's what she said. I mean, yeah, look how much. Alright, I'm going to continue to clean it out there. Right, I think I got it spraying properly there now. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. So this little pinhole was clogged with something that looks like thread seal. This is the oil restrictor that goes on top here. That's factory installed. And that would have burnt this bearing and caused this situation. So we'll take it apart and hopefully the shaft isn't roasted and it's just the bearing to change. And we'll be back.